Friends, on this video how you can set Applock on your mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, if you want to set Applock, you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see this option of this security and privacy, but you have to tap on security. When you move on security, here you can see is the Applock. Okay, here's the Applock. So if you want to select your Applock, then click on Applock. After that, click on enable. Okay, then click on enable. And before here you have to select lock screen password or custom pin. You can select from here. I select the lock screen password. So here lock screen password, it says do not forget. You can change your unlock method also. I select the pattern, then here click on redraw, click on done, and here you can lock your apps. Okay, if you want to lock, suppose I want to lock this app market and booking.com, I have locked it. Okay, so you can lock. Let's check this market, app market. So here app market has been locked, so you can lock like this. Okay friends, if you don't know how to lock, you can lock easily like this, and you can remove the lock also. If you don't know how to remove your lock, then I can show you right now. Again, you have to move on Applock, confirm the password, then here turn off, and your Applock will be removed. Even you can disable this Applock. Okay, by just tapping on disable, your Applock will be removed successfully. Okay, it will not apply. You have to set again your Applock. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.